Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to save your Purple Hero Fragments in Last Z Survival Shooter. Alright, let's begin. Do not waste your Purple Hero Fragments by spreading them across multiple heroes. Instead, save them and invest everything in one smart place. Start by checking your current power so you can clearly see the difference after using this method. Next, go to the Hall of Honor and open the Wings of Dawn section. Once a hero reaches 5 stars, they're inducted into the Hall of Honor, where you can continue upgrading them using fragments. Choose a hero like Christina and spend all your saved fragments there. Each level provides a small defense boost, but that alone is not the main advantage. The real value comes from milestone upgrades. At certain levels, Christina increases the troop capacity for all Wings of Dawn heroes. This means your entire army becomes stronger, not just one hero. You gain additional troops across multiple heroes, which adds up quickly. If you're using Blood Rose heroes, focus on upgrading Vivin instead for better synergy. Using this strategy turns fragments that would have been wasted into a major overall power boost. So that's basically how you can max your Purple Hero Fragments in Last Z Survival Shooter. That's it for this video. Thanks.